This is going to be just a brief video demonstrating this Singer 111WSV14 triple feed industrial sewing machine. The machine's been all taken off the table. The base has been power washed. The table's been resurfaced. Machine's been all cleaned up, repainted the thread holder and the thread winder. And I've timed the machine. I've got the hook position set properly, feet are walking properly, needle bar is the proper height. And this is a World War II era machine. The SV stands for special variant. Those were made for the military use or intended to make military type things. They used a little bit better steel, hardened components. And I will just get the tripod set up here. Oh, it'll come with some extra needles, extra bobbins. The stitch length is real easy to get at. That's right over here. It's a dial on this side. And like I said, it's a triple feed machine. What that means is the feed dogs are pulling the material through along with this upper foot and the needle. All are moving in conjunction. Good for heavier products like car upholstery, leather, things like that. It's got a newer clutch motor on it and a new leather belt, and it's all ready to go. And the motor runs nice and quiet. It's also got the knee lift, so when you want to turn a corner, you just use your knee to turn a corner. This is a Tech 70 thread with 2 layers of marine vinyl. I'm not real used to running this machine, so I might be going a little bit fast. With a little bit of practice, you should be able to run this pretty slowly and control it. Or if you want to go fast, you definitely can. And just go ahead and put together 4 layers of marine vinyl. And as you can see, with the foot in the up position, 4 layers of marine vinyl, and I still have a good 1/4 inch of space under there. And if you're experienced at running an industrial machine, it will go fast if you want to. If you're doing a large project where you're building something like a cover where you're not so worried about, you know, if your stitches are perfectly straight and you're more in a hurry trying to produce a product, you can go fast. All right, that's it.